Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, I want to show you how you can duplicate your Google site. Perhaps you want to leave a template intact. Share my screen with you. Perhaps you want to share with a colleague. With the three dots, you're simply going to click Duplicate Site. And when you do so, it's going to name it Copy of, whatever the original title was. It'll be stored in Google Drive. If you want to change it from its destination, My Drive, you can change it to a specific folder, and you can choose if you want to share it with the same editors. Let's click Duplicate. A copy of the site will be made, and when you return back to Google Sites, I'm just going to click this icon to return to the site's homepage, and you'll now notice that the copy of Mr. Leo's class is here. The original is still intact. This is the published version. I'm going to open up copy of, which is a completely separate version, and if I choose to, I can make any changes, invite any collaborators, and when I'm all set, I can publish. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.